In this video, we will see how to download satellite image of our custom drone area of interest using Google Earth Engine. We will download today Landsat image. First of all, let's draw our area of interest polygon in the map. Let's make it bigger. Click on the draw a shape. Let's click on satellite view. Zoom in. Okay, we can draw our shape here. We have drawn our custom drone shape. Let's turn off the full screen view. The geometry we have drawn is named as geometry here. Let's make a variable named AOI, and our geometry will be our AOI. Now let's make a variable named image, and in this variable we will load Landsat image. Search for Landsat. Click on this. We can copy this code and paste here. Now we will filter the boundary to our AOI. And then filter date. Now we will filter the image for the cloud coverage. We will allow cloud coverage up to 3%. For that, EE dot filter dot LTE, that is less than or equal to, and then cloud cover. We will allow up to 3. We will use median values for composite image, and then let's clip the image to our AOI, and finally make it to float 32, otherwise it may show an error. This image has all the bands of Landsat image. We will use only RGB bands here. Let's make a RGB image variable, and image dot select. Let's put here RGB bands B4, B3 and B2. Now let's see how our image looks. Before that, we will center the map to our AOI. Center object and AOI. Let's put zoom level to 10. Now we will add our image to the map. Map dot add layer. First parameter is image, so let's write our RGB image, and then visualization parameter, and then name of the layer. Let's name it Landsat 8 img. And for the visualization parameters, first one is bands, and bands will be b4, b3, b2. And then minimum value is 0, and maximum value for this Landsat image should be 0.3. Now run this code and let's check how it looks in the map. We can turn off our geometry, hide our geometry from here so that the image is visible. Now we can go for download option. Now let's download this image to our Google Drive. Export.image.to drive. First parameter would be image, and we will use RGB image for our image, and then description. This is the file name. Let's make it Landsat 8 image. And then scale should be 30 for Landsat image. And then region would be our AOI, and file format should be GeoTIFF. Now let's run this code. You can see a yellow notification on the task panel, task tab. So click on this and we can see unsubmitted task in the task tab. Let's run this. We can change the coordinate system, scale, and drive folder. Let's make it GEE, and you can change the file name here and file format. Also you can use TF record. Let's go for GeoTIFF and run this code. Our image is downloading. Our image is already downloaded, so let's click on the open in drive and it will take you to the folder of your drive where it is downloaded, and you can see that Landsat 8 image TIFF has been downloaded. Let's download to our computer. The image has been downloaded to our computer. Let's open this. Now we can open and check this image in any JS software like ArcGIS, QGIS. Let's do it in QGIS. Our image is nicely shown as we drawn our shape. Let's turn on the OpenStreetMap to see where it is. Thanks for watching.